Hello and welcome to Lydia Hawk Designs. I wanted to make this video to let everyone know that even though I'm not going to be making my Crochet Pikachu foot bags anymore, or the other Pokemon foot bags, I am selling the pattern, and as soon as I'm able to make videos and patterns for the other designs, I will be releasing those for sale too. The pattern comes with a free subscription to watch the video and follow along on my website at lydiahawk.com. I encourage you to visit, link is below, and to enjoy these adorable Pokemon Go themed hacky sacks, bean bags, juggling bags, foot bags. They're made for juggling and kicking and tossing around. I really can't recommend making them any other way. Definitely do not recommend rice or beans as a substitute. These are perishable products that will deteriorate and go bad. I also do not recommend skimping on the balloon lining. For a lot of reasons, these are not for commercial resale, but for gifting, they're adorable. They've always been a fan favorite. You're going to have fun making them. Again, it comes with a free subscription to the video on my website. I spent a lot of time on their features, making the bags super secure, perfecting how I add the balloon lining. I do not knot it. I actually sew the edges of the opening together. If you do make these and share them on social media, please use the attribution in the description below. Any love I really appreciate, because I put so much love personally into these. I've been making them since 2016, since Pokemon Go came out. I can't tell you the joy that I experienced selling this at an art fair the day after Pokemon Go came out. People were going to Pokestops in the park and they came across these and they flipped out. It was such a fun day. And as a bonus, I will be offering the Pokeball case that I originally put these in. I just haven't quite made that video yet as of this recording, but your subscription doesn't expire. So I will send an email, some kind of alert letting you know that that video is available. You can always contact me through my website, lydiahawk.com, to ask questions, to get information. I respond very quickly. I just don't have time to make these anymore, and I'm very happy to finally offer the patterns with the video because they're freeform crochet. The instructions are very specific, but with freeform crochet, I think it's probably too difficult for a beginning crocheter to understand my written instructions without some sort of visual aid. So I do recommend buying this pattern through my website. I may not even offer it at Etsy because, like with my butterfly and my Death's Head Moth, anytime someone purchases those patterns, I have to message them and ask them if they want a free subscription to the videos because they're really very difficult to make without a visual aid. And now that I'm going to be selling all of my Pokemon beanbags, I don't know that I will have the time to always message individual people and say, hey, do you want a free subscription to the video? It bothers me to even think that someone could buy this pattern on Etsy, for instance, find it so hard to make, and then leave a review saying, hey, this was really difficult, because I did actually have something like that happen with my butterfly applique, and that's basically when I had to start reaching out. And if anyone has advice about that, that would be great. Just always easier to buy through my website. It's an instant download. You get an immediate email with instructions on how to log in, what the password is for the portal where the video is located. Really easy. I've streamlined this to be as easy and as painless as possible. So I hope that you will buy the pattern and enjoy making these with me and gift them to preteens, teens, and adults. They are not for pets, babies, and toddlers because of the plastic poly pellets. I will be making updates about what characters are available very soon here on YouTube, just like this video. So stay tuned.